Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. Quantitative aptitude video on alligation and mixture part 6. We are going to solve few simple questions on mixtures. And our first question is, the ratio of honey and water is 3:5. On adding 16 liters of water, this ratio becomes 3:7. Find the initial quantity of honey. We solve this question by conventional method as well as by shortcut method. It is given that honey ratio water is 3:5. So we write it as 3K upon 5K. On adding 16 liters of water, this ratio becomes 3:7. So we add 16 liters of water. So 3K upon 5K plus 16, as we have added 16 liters of water. So we add 16 to the denominator and this becomes 3:7. Now we solve this equation and find the value of K. So 21K equal to 15K plus 48. By cross multiplication we get this. 21 minus 15 is 6K equal to 48. Therefore K equal to 8. Initially there was honey which is equal to 3K. Honey equal to 3K. This is equal to 3 multiplied by 8. This is equal to 24 liters. Now we solve it by shortcut method. Honey ratio water is given as 3:5 and on adding 16 liters of water, this becomes 3:7. As there is no change in the portion of honey, as we have not added any honey or taken out any honey from it, from the mixture, we have only added water. So the quantity of honey is the same in both the cases. So there is a change of ratio in water only. So 5 and 7, there is a difference of 2. So 2 parts equal to 16 liters. Therefore 3 parts, as honey is 3 parts, this is equal to 16 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. This gives 24 liters. As we know that honey is 3 parts in both the cases, so 3 parts equal to 24 liters. This way we can directly get the quantity of honey in the mixture. The next question is, the ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 3:8. On adding 9 liters of milk, this ratio becomes 3:5. Find initial quantity of milk. We solve it by conventional method. It is given that milk ratio water is 3:8. So we write it as 3K upon 8K. Milk upon water equal to 3K upon 8K. Now it is given that 9 liter of milk is added. So we make it 3K plus 9. Milk portion we are making it 3K plus 9 upon 8K, as there is no change in the water portion. And this ratio now becomes 3:5. By cross multiplication we get 8 times 3 is 24. So 24K equal to 5 times 3 is 15. So it is 15K plus 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. 24 minus 15 is 9K. 24 minus 15 is 9. So it is 9K equal to 45, giving K equal to 5. So initial quantity of milk is 3K. This is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15 liters. Now we solve it by shortcut method. It is given that milk ratio water is 3:8 and on adding 9 liters of milk, this becomes 3:5. As the water doesn't change in this case, so we make the quantity of water equal in both the ratios. So this gives, we multiply the first ratio by 5 and second ratio by 8. So this gives 15:40 and we multiply second ratio by 8. So this becomes 24:40. Now the water quantity in both the ratios is 40 and the milk quantity is 15 and 24. So on subtracting 15 from 24, we get 24 minus 15 is 9 parts is equal to 9 liters because we added 9 liters of milk. Therefore, initially we had 15 parts of milk in 15:40. So 15 parts equal to 15 liters. And this is our answer. This way we can easily solve the question by shortcut method. The next question is, a vessel contains 72 liters of mixture of ethanol and water in the ratio 5:7. If 28 liters of water is added, then find the ratio of ethanol and water. It is given that ethanol ratio water is 5:7. So we write as ethanol upon water equal to 5K upon 7K, and the total quantity of the mixture is 72 liters. So 5K, which is the ethanol part, plus 7K, which is water part, equal to 72 liters. So 12K equal to 72 liters. This gives K equal to 6. Now on adding 28 liters of water, we have to find the new ratio of ethanol and water. So there is no change in the quantity of ethanol. Ethanol equal to 5K, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30 liters. And initial quantity of water is 7K. This is equal to 7 multiplied by 6. This is equal to 42 liters. Now 28 liters of water is added. So we add 28 to 42. This becomes 70. 42 plus 28 is 70. Therefore, ethanol ratio water is 30:70. This is equal to 3:7. On adding 28 liter of water, the ethanol ratio water becomes 3:7. Now we solve it by shortcut method. As the ethanol ratio water is 5:7, that is 12 part, 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12 parts equal to 72 liters. Therefore 1 part equal to 6 liters. 72 divided by 12 is 6. So it is 6 liters. Now we have added 28 liters of water. So 6 liter equal to 1 part. Therefore 28 liter equal to 28 upon 6 parts. This is equal to 14 upon 3 parts. Now the ethanol remains same and only water quantity changes. Therefore ethanol ratio water was initially 5:7. Now we have added 14 upon 3 parts of water into it. So this becomes 5:7 times 3 is 21 plus 14 is 35. So this is 5:35 upon 3. We multiply both sides by 3. This gives 15:35, or 15:35 is 3:7. On dividing both sides by 5, we get 15 divided by 5 gives us 3, and 35 divided by 5 gives us 7. So ethanol ratio water is 3:7. This way we can solve this question by shortcut method. We go to the next question, and next question is, the ratio of milk and water in a mixture of 55 liters is 4:7. If 20 liters of milk and 25 liters of water is added to the mixture, find the ratio of milk and water. It is given that the milk ratio water is 4:7. So we write it as 4K upon 7K. Milk upon water equal to 4K upon 7K. This gives the total quantity is 4K plus 7K equal to 55 liters. This is 11K. 4 plus 7 is 11K equal to 55. Therefore, K equal to 5. Now milk. Milk equal to 4K equal to 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 liters. And water equal to 7K and 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Now it is given that 20 liter of milk and 25 liters of water is added to the mixture. So we add 20 liters of milk. So 20 plus 20 equal to 40. So milk becomes 40 liters. And 35 plus 25 equal to 60. So water becomes 60 liters. Therefore, milk ratio water equal to 40 ratio 60. This is equal to 2 ratio 3. On dividing both the numbers by 20, we get 2 ratio 3. Now we solve it by shortcut method. The milk ratio water is 4 ratio 7. It means 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 part equal to 55 liters. It means 1 part equal to 5 liters. Therefore, 20 liter equal to 4 parts and 25 liters equal to 5 parts. As we have to add 20 liters of milk and 25 liters of water. So 20 liters equal to 4 parts and 25 liters equal to 5 parts. Initially we had milk ratio water 4 ratio 7. Now 20 liter is 4 part. So we add 4 to the milk and we add 25 liter equal to 5 parts. We add 5 to the water part. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So this becomes 8 ratio 12, giving it as 2 ratio 3. Thus, milk ratio water equal to 2 ratio 3. This way we can solve this question by shortcut method. Here completes this part of the video. Please watch all the parts to understand the complete topic. Please like it, share it among your friends who are preparing for the competitive exam. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.